Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at the 2019 Harris Float Boat 240 Sunliner. This Sunliner has a gray interior, got nice padded seats for underneath your legs, and storage underneath each compartment. Got a nice armrest here to veg out and relax. This layout is considered to be the SL layout, which is the single lounger. As you can see in the back here, you got a wraparound bench that wraps around. And to the back here, we have a nice lounger. This backrest flips forward. So there's a nice big area where people can sit. You can legally sit back here due to the fence lock off. You got a nice stainless steel ladder and a 150 horsepower Mercury engine. The flooring is absolutely amazing. It's pretty much stain proof and spill proof. Here at the helm we have a Fusion radio player, as well as nice tacks, hour meter, depth finder, and all the above. The helm seat is a full upgraded helm seat, and the bimini is a 12-foot bimini. In this particular model, we have a dressing room here in the corner, one door right next to that, as well as another door to load on and off in front of the helm. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this pontoon or another one we have in stock today.